back at you again with another light video here. This is usually too new for me to work on, but this is another project I came across and just wrapped up. Figured I'd make a quick video on it. Whelen, obviously. Not too many Whelen videos for those out there that know me. Know the reason why there's not too many Whelen videos, but regardless, this is an LFL series Liberty bar. I want to say it's an 8, like SL8 bar. That's what I want to say, but anyway, it was originally blue with an amber traffic advisor. Now it's all blue, being converted for volunteer firefighter use here locally to me in PA. What I'm looking at here now with the completion is just a quick wrap-up of the bar. The lenses have been polished the best they can. Older end caps, as you can see, halogen alleys. Older end caps are the ones that these come out and the alley light just pops out. Back of the bar, it is loaded. Here's your rear. Used to be amber with blue on the ends. Now it's just straight blue. Like I said, this is now just a straight blue bar. Coming around it again, nothing super fancy about this. There's lots of these out there, and hopefully the person I built this for enjoys it. Otherwise, I will be rolling this out for sale. So other than that, pretty basic. Getting some video of it functioning. I mean, it does still have halogen takedowns in the front. You can see them on the ends. If I pop my finger here, halogen, and there, halogen. The idea was, hey, possibly upgrade those to LED, but I had to spend a little bit of money fixing some of the light heads on here, and I'm already in more than what I think the bar is worth, so I'm not going to go any further with it. But it does work. I have literally and figuratively ironed out all the bugs. It is functioning now. I had to do a little bit of board repair. Other than that, it's all good. So without further ado, let's go through some of these function tests. First option I'm going to roll through here are the takedowns and the alleys. I figure I'll just roll through the flasher, verify that's working. Yeah, we have power. That's always a good sign. The takedowns do flash. I've got flashing on this side for the alley. Notice that they're synced. I did not know that. Interesting. I wonder if I can change that. And this side I'm assuming is doing the same. And it is. So we do have halogen lights flashing. That's a good function test. Let's move on and take a look at other parts of this bar. And next up here we've got some of our traffic advisor functionality. Here we go. This is going to be driver's side to passenger side again. This is all blue. Originally part of this, pardon the shaky cam, was amber. As this is to be used as, or was originally, or being reconfigured as a PA VFD bar, we need to have blue. I'm not sure if you can get away with amber on this or not. So let's play with some more functions. And now we've got another variation on the traffic advisor, inside out. I'm not going to go through all of them. I'm just checking to see if functionality works, and it does, so I'm not going to complain about that. Let's keep cycling. And now we've got cruise lights, which is kind of hard to see, but there they are. See if I can get around behind the bar, get a better picture of this, because I'm playing around with this. Yeah, you can see them. There. Good deal. All right, next function. And finally, let's shoot for the whole kit and caboodle. There we go. All fronts are firing off, other than the halogens. End caps are firing. Shaky cam. There we go. Try to stabilize that. Coming around. Rears are also firing. Looks like an epileptic pattern. At least the light heads are working now. And they all appear to be functioning properly, which is good. Someone's setting off fireworks. And there it is. I mean, other than the halogens working, just a quick bar, so that way I can just demonstrate functionality. Not a bad bar. I'm not a fan of Whelen's. I've said that before. These bars are very common, and you can find parts. They're pretty easy to work on. I can definitely see why there's still so many of them out there. But yeah, like I said, just a quick video demoing what I just finished up, and hopefully it gets going. If not, this will probably be for sale.